Very good evening to all. This is Dr. Chandramouli. This session we are going to discuss about a very good topic, management thoughts from Auvayar Mudurai. The Indian management wisdom. You may be excited and you may be wonder how we can get the information about management from Auvayar, mainly from Mudurai. In my previous videos, we had discussed lot about Tirukkural, how the leadership concepts from Tirukkural, how the motivational concepts from Tirukkural. Likewise, even Avayar also given lot of inputs, lot of sources, how we can develop ourselves in the society. If you learn Athichudi, if you learn Mudurai, we ourselves be 100% developing the personality. Developing the personality is not applying the fair and lovely or applying the makeup things. When your heart is good, obviously it will reflect in your face. The same example I had given in the previous video presentation also. So when you read Athichudi and Avayar, the personality will be developed. You can easily develop your personality. I am going to talk about two Venba from Mudurai, how it helps people to develop themselves in the way of personality development, anger management, management by objectives likewise. The main thing, Athichudi, Avaya had given an excellent thing, Athichudi. All we people learn Athichudi in a kindergarten. If kindergarten introduce Mudurai also, it will be good. I just recommending that's all. I am going to talk about a very good Venba from Mudurai. The first one is, before that we will discuss about the two concepts given by Athichudi. Akkam Surakel. Everyone hear about this, Akkam Surakel. Never cheat on quantity of an item you sell in the first step to an entrepreneurship. See, Akkam Surakel is a only word giving a very good meaning for the entrepreneurship development. We should not estimate by the quantity of the things how we are showed. We always showed based upon the quality. Now one more things I want to tell about in Athichudi. What is that you know? Pagaikin verudan kedum. Urudan pagaikin verudan kedum. When we have the social inclusion with ourselves, obviously that will going for the wrong solutions, the wrong things. Urudan pagaikin verudan sirkel. That means what? What do you mean in that? When you talk about the hostility to the society, country will destroy everything one has right from the root. See that how international business concepts taken from this Athichudi. Urudan pagaikin verudan kedum. If you are not having a good approach towards the society, that will be the climax for you. That will be the bad negative things for you. So these two just an example I had given. Let me go for the Mudurai. In Mudurai, she had given a lot of ideas about the development of the personality. What is the development of the personality? We can discuss what is personality. First you should know that what is personality and what is personality development. Personality development in the sense, understand and views himself and his pattern of inner and outer measurable traits. That is personality given by the Western management thought. What she is telling in the Indian management thought, just see what she is saying in Venba 23. She is telling about the anger management. Karpilavodu oppar kayavar, kadum sinathu porpilavodu opparum polavare. Vilpidithu நீர் கிழிய எய்த விடு போல் மாறுமோ சீர் ஒழுகு சான்றோர் சினம். Lot of things we can get from this particular Venba. I am telling that explanation in the English for this particular Venba. Anger by some can be made good like a crack in gold, but the anger of the wicked lost. Wicked, those who are having a bad opinion or a bad person, wicked like a crack in a rock. The third line, she is telling very clearly the anger of the noble man in the sense a person who is always very good in personality, noble man who lead to decent life. Then he is telling vanishes like a scare. Scare, what we have the scare in our body, vanishes like a scare made on water with an arrow. Obviously, when we are not able to get a scare in the water surfaces. Clear? This is an explanation for this particular Venba. What it is comparing with the management concepts we have to see in this area. The wicked people do not unite due to anger. The wicked people never unite. They always be alone. They think very widely. They try to defeat maximum for the good people. The wicked people do not unite due to anger, and this may be compared to the split one. That is very important. When they are want to divided by the people who unite, similar like that crack in the gold fusing black. This is a excellent information given by the management thoughts by Avoyar in particularly from the Madurai. See how she is giving excellent explanation. In the next one, the last two lines, she is giving a very good concept towards the management. What is that? Anger management may be a buzzword. Anger management is always like a buzzword. The anger of the nobleman. Anger management is very important. When people in anger, they should not take decision. If they take decision at the time of anger, obviously the decision will be going for the bad solution. So the anger management may be a buzzword among the soft skill trainer, but our Tamil literature has given excellent ideas. What is an influence during our formative years? How we can learn from these years? In fact, you never cannot take right decision when it is state on the anger. Normally, when you are in anger, you should not take decision. If you want to take a decision, if a leader want to take a decision, the mind should be fresh. If the mind is 100% anger, if you take a decision, that decision always go in a wrong way. At the same time, he is giving another explanation. What is that? No, if you are so happy also, you should not take decision. I will give another example from the Ramayana. When Dasaratha doing war against in the war chariot, Kaigeyi was riding the chariot. Suddenly, the needle came out from the wheel. The Kaigeyi used her thumb instead of the needle, because then only that wheel can run very smoothly without having any problem. Finally, the end of the war, Dasaratha won the battle, and he was so happy, and he want to appreciate and he want to acknowledge the thanks to Kaigeyi, and telling to her, Kaigeyi, because of you, I won this. Without you, I definitely defeated in this battle. And he is Dasaratha telling that, what do you want? I am ready to tell now itself. What do you want? What boons you want? Just tell. Kaigeyi asking, I don't want anything, dear. No. I'll give 2 boons to you. There is void agreement. Without writing anything, it's nothing but a blank check. And finally, how it was used, at the time of when Rama taking crown, and then one day before, what has happened? Due to Kunti, Kaigeyi asked to fulfill the 2 boons given long back in the battlefield. Dasaratha also frustrated. So when you are in anger, you should not take decision. When you are in happy, you should not take decision. These are 2 concepts we can take from this Madurai. When you go next one more Venba I have to just match with the management concepts. What is that? Venba 16. Everyone know this, because this Venba people hear often from the film. What we call the film, obviously the Surya, the great actor Surya, Sukumar's son Surya, acted in the film Sami 2. This particular Venba he is using as a dialogue before the villain. What is that? I will read that. You may be excited. அடக்கம் உடையார் அறிவிலார் என்றெண்ணி கடக்கம் கருதவும் வேண்டா மடை தலையில் ஓடுமீன் ஓட உருமீன் வருமளவும் வாடி இருக்குமாம் கொக்கு. See, everyone hear about this particular 2 lines used by Surya in the film Singham 2 before villain. What is the example? What is the meaning for this? We just recollect this meaning from the English. Do not ignore the men who patiently wait. You should not ignore anybody who is patiently wait for them. The first line. The second, assuming that they lack know how to achieve. Just we have to assume how they will achieve. The third one, for the stroke that waits at the slice head patiently. Slice head patiently leaves small spats alone and waits for the very big or large fish or a big fish. Opportunities everywhere is there. When you wait for an opportunity, if you wait for a small things always come and disturbing you. But if you are stubborn on one particular, when you stick on the particular opportunity, you can wait. When you wait for a long term, definitely that will come and you is pick that and go. That is called waiting for the good opportunity. You can give the same example in the stock market. The people, those who are playing in a stock market, they always waiting for the good opportunity. They won't take the decision immediately. If they take the decision immediately, they will lose all the investments. They will wait like a cuckoo. What we are told, like a cuckoo, waiting on the very big water flow in the shutters. That particular bird waiting for a big fish, not for the small fish. Small fish is always coming all the time, but big fish will come at any time only. That time, that opportunities will not come and tell you that I am coming. You have to open your eyes and wait for that. Once the big fish come, you have to occupy. Big fish in the sense a very good opportunity will come to your life. You have to accept that and you have to take that opportunity and you will have a bright future. So that is the excellent management concepts given by Aviyar in this particular Venba. Avi spoke about the anger management strategy only for the behind the screen, but at the same time, we should react at all times of anyone and everyone. We should react for every time. What is the first two lines given the meaning? No, we should react at all times for everyone and anyone. If you are working in a company, you are supposed to waiting for a good opportunity. If anybody opposite to you, whether you like your manager or don't like your manager, as a manager, you are supposed to give respect to the manager because of the position. So what she is telling the way are, one should not react at all times for anyone and everyone, but at the right time, giving a fixed or fitting reply for the right time for enemy. That is his particular dialogue used by Surya before the villain. ஓடு மீன் ஓட ஒரு மீன் வரும் அளவும் வாடி இருக்குமாம் கொக்கு. The particular things, opportunities, you have to wait. If you wait, definitely we can get that. That patience is very important to get an opportunities. That is very important, mainly using for the things. So these two Venba, which is 100% match with the management concepts. There is more than 30 Venba in the Mudirai. In the future, I am going to tell about all the 30 Venba, how it is mixed with the management concepts. I hope they enjoy this session. Thank you very much for supporting me. Please subscribe this channel and kindly share this channel to all your friends and relatives. Thanks for this good opportunity. Thank you very much.